Good Tuesday, everybody. Meteorologist Jonathan Condor here. Your updated severe storm timeline. Number one, there's a risk of severe weather today. It's a level 1 risk, meaning isolated severe for 1-inch hail, but mostly 60-mile-per-hour winds, up to 65, rogue 70 possible. I think maybe the bigger concern would be flash flooding because storms will be moving fairly slowly. The timing, it's going to be into the late afternoon and the early evening. There's a footprint at 10 p.m., but then during the overnight, everything should really weaken by daybreak on Wednesday. Okay, no risk Wednesday, but there are more storms showing up for your weekend. What do you have to do? Make sure you come back. Pay us a visit. KOCO 5 News, 4, 5, 6, 10 p.m. Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane, he'll be in. He'll have your updated 5+5 day.